You guys, what we bring here? Yeah. Now this is a chance of a lifetime. But remember, we're all familiar with a wild animal, so please, no sudden movements and do not approach the raptor unless directed to do so. If we all follow the rules, I promise you we'll be perfectly fine. Trust me and my team. We have everything under control. I think she's a little excited to come meet you guys. That's ready? Excellent. Open the gates. Eyes on me. That's good. Go home. Eyes on me. Whoa. Go ahead. Yeah, that's more like it. Yep, that's more like it. That's more like it. Steady. I'm moving. Good job, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Excellent. Steady. Hold. Okay. Now, Moody confessed some disobedience and aggression. However, she did respond to command mid-movement, and that's great. Okay, so if you'd like to have their documentation, the line starts over here, and I hope you all read the waiver we were forced to sign. That got a single yes. I'll trust them on it. I believe they did. Let's get it going. Hey, buddy. Hey. It's okay. You got this. You look really good. You brought your own blue, too. You came prepared, man. Okay? You're gonna be okay. Hi. Good to see you, too. You're gonna be okay? Don't worry, I got your back. You were so excited. Don't hug her, though. You were so excited. But you say hi, girl. But you can't keep it contained. You gotta stay still for the picture, buddy. You got this. It's okay. Look forward. You're okay. You were so excited. I love it. Look. It's okay. You were like dancing in your feet. Yeah. She sees the moon. Yeah. You can say hi. It's okay. It's like in your legs. I love it. It's like just all in the legs. Girl. Ooh, easy. Don't get her excited now. She's more curious. Good, you can say bye. Say bye, okay? Say bye, Blue. Say bye, girl. Good girl. Back it up. Hold. That was amazing.